Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about Wix versus Webflow. Which is better? Two big names in website building. Which one is better? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you're just starting out and want something simple, Wix is a breeze. It's a drag and drop editor. It is super intuitive, and with their AI tool, you can literally have a website up in minutes. Plus, Wix packs in lots of built-in features for SEO, email marketing, and more. But if you're all about customization and want every pixel just right, Webflow is the way to go. It gives you next-level design control, almost like Photoshop for website. Now, pricing. Wix tends to be more budget-friendly and easier to get into, especially for small businesses. Webflow, on the other hand, can feel a bit pricey, especially since some features are locked behind higher tiers. Oh, and the support. Wix has better customer service overall, while Webflow is more geared towards tech-savvy users. So for beginners and ease of use, Wix. For design pros who love full control, Webflow is your way. So what's your pick? Do tell me in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.